Oh, I wanted to show this to you. It's sad, but it's very interesting. My mom, as I said, died of Alzheimer's, and we had hospice in our home the last few weeks of her life, and they were just wonderful, and they helped us along the death process, which is very important, and it was wonderful to have it in my home. But it's fascinating. Human mind is so fascinating, it's impossible to fathom. My mother was having a hard time expressing herself, especially toward the end, composing sentences and getting her thoughts out. But the Yiddish came off her tongue so easily. It was amazing that I found. And the day before she died, she said to me something that I wrote down because I don't get a chance to write Yiddish enough, and any chance I get, I want to do it so I can still know how to do it. And she said to me, "Morgen, ich will mehr nicht leben." Tomorrow, I will no longer be alive. And she did die the next day. So, and of course, again, that was April. And she was 89, 90. She could have hit 90. Again, as I told you, we don't know. She died April 10th.